Ever wonder how Dubai stays this clean every single day? Because this level of cleanliness doesn't happen by accident. It's not just about aesthetics, and it's definitely just not about luxury. What you're seeing is the result of planning, discipline, and an entire system working quietly in the background day and night. While most cities clean as a reaction, Dubai cleans as a routine. Long before the streets get busy, before the traffic starts, before the malls open, the work is already done. And once you understand how the system works, you'll never look at the city the same way again. Over 2,000 cleaning staff work nightly across the city to keep the sidewalks, parks, and public spaces as spotless and clean as possible. The city collects more than 15,000 tons of waste daily using 700 plus garbage trucks and over 300 street sweepers. Dubai has smart bins all over the city, and when these bins get full, alerts are sent out so that the waste is collected efficiently and there is no overflow. Streets and public spaces are swept daily, and high traffic areas like malls and tourist spots go through deep cleans every single week. Parks and playgrounds are sanitized regularly, and public restrooms are checked in multiple times a day to make sure they are clean throughout the entire day. Unlike other countries, in Dubai, even the public transport is spotless. Metros and buses are cleaned multiple times a day between routes and then deep cleaned again every night at the end of the day once the service comes to a halt. Littering is strictly prohibited. Fines start from around 500 dirhams, and repeat offenders can pay up to 5,000 dirhams. The Dubai municipality has over 600 CCTV cameras all across the city to ensure that the anti-littering laws are followed and cleanliness is ensured. Specialized teams handle hazardous waste and construction debris to ensure that whatever is to be recycled is done properly and the other material is disposed safely. The night cleaning crew works from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning to ensure that the city wakes up spotless every single day. And the good part is, accommodation and transportation is provided by the government. All these systems, night crews, smart bins, trash collection schedules, deep clean cycles, recycling programs, strict laws, and well-compensated staff make it possible for Dubai to remain one of the cleanest cities in the world 365 days a year. I hope you all learned a little bit more about Dubai with me today. For more such videos, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.